Let's take one example on interconnection of systems. A system consists of several subsystems connected as shown below. Find the operator T relating x of t to y of t for the subsystem operators given by T1 is equal to y1 of t, which in turn y1 of t is equal to x1 of t minus x1 of t minus 1. T2 is nothing but y2 of t, T3 is y3 of t, and T4 is y4 of t. This is the given system where it consists of subsystems T1, T2, T3 and T4. Here each system will perform particular operation that is defined here. That is, for T1 the input is x1 of t, output is y1 of t. The output of T1 system is given by x1 of t minus x1 of t minus 1. Similarly T2, here it has x2 of t as input, y2 of t is the output. Y2 of t output is defined here, that is magnitude of x2 of t. For system T3, x3 of t is input, y3 of t is output. So T3 system is defined as y3 of t is equal to 1 plus 2 x3 of t. Here we have T4 subsystem. It has x4 of t input, y4 of t output, and output y4 of t is equal to cos of x4 of t. And this is the final output y of t. We supposed to calculate the overall operator t of this system. So this is the given system represented in block diagram and its equations are represented here. Here we can observe that output at this point is y1 of t plus y2 of t, that is y1 of t plus y2 of t, and finally we have y of t which is equal to y1 of t plus y2 of t minus y4 of t. So first we'll write the output y of t. I can write y of t is equal to y1 of t plus y2 of t, y1 of t plus y2 of t, and here we have y4 of t which is supposed to be subtracted, minus y4 of t. So now in turn I can write y of t as, here we can observe that y1 of t is equal to x1 of t minus x1 of t minus 1. So I'll replace y1 of t by x1 of t minus x1 of t minus 1 plus y2 of t. Y2 of t is defined as x2 of t, that is x2 of t minus y4 of t is cos x4 of t. Now further we can simplify this as y of t is equal to x1 of t minus x1 of t minus 1 plus x2 of t minus cos, here x4 of t. Here we can observe that x4 of t is equal to y3 of t because output of T3 is connected as input to the T4. So input to the T4 is x4 of t, output of T3 is y3 of t, therefore y3 of t is equal to x4 of t. Therefore I can replace x4 of t as y3 of t. Now further I can represent it as y of t is equal to x1 of t minus x1 of t minus 1 plus x2 of t minus cos, here y3 of t is nothing but 1 plus 2 x3 of t. I can represent it as y3 of t as 1 plus 2 x3 of t. Here we can observe that x1 of t is equal to x2 of t, which is in turn equal to x3 of t, which is nothing but x of t. Therefore, we can say that x of t is nothing but equal to x1 of t, x2 of t and x3 of t. Here x of t is equal to x1 of t is equal to x2 of t is equal to x3 of t. Now therefore I can represent this y of t expression as y of t is equal to x1 of t is nothing but x of t minus x of t minus 1 plus x of t minus cos of 1 plus 2 x of t. So this is overall operator t of the given subsystem. Thank you for watching.